Hi again, everybody. This is Joseph with another tutorial. As I said about a clamp meter, right now there's no parasitic draw. Watch what happens as the meter, you'll see over here, the display, when I put the parking lamps on. Watch the amps go up. So as you can see, now we have 7 amps. We have the parking lamps simulating a parasitic draw of the battery. Watch what happens when I put the headlamps on also. So now I'm drawing even more, obviously 15 amps. As I said before, the trick of this is you can put another meter in series and open up this cable, but with this you just put it around the cable of the positive and clamp it around. So like I said before, now we have to go find the fuse for headlamps. We can either pull out the fuse, but the best way is to go and to measure the voltage across it. And with this meter you can measure volts and you can measure amps. So please subscribe to my channel, Automotive Electronics Schematics by Joseph. Well, I will continue this video in the next one.